Okay, Charlie, what's up, people? It's your guy, Jumolin. Yeah, today, what they want to do is very simple. They go the whole inside piece, one out of 100 students, then be fresh for the building inside. But I know some people talk, say, you see them not get fresh guys, fresh lady. But today, I don't want to show you the fresh guys and ladies over here. Since today be the matriculation day, we don't want to beat them. They are still on campus so far, how they feel things and why even they choose the University of Cape. We get many schools in Ghana, but then why did you choose to come to this institution?
I chose UCC because it stands out, and I think in the whole West Africa, UCC is the number one school in West Africa, and in the whole Africa, it's the fifth school. And if you come here, no doubt that you will study and you come out shining. That's why I chose this school.
So like for you, they love the studying and things.
Yes,
And
yeah, that's why I chose.
okay, but people talk say them no get fresh ladies, them no get fresh guy. Be that true?
Hey, who talk so? If they like, they should come laugh. If you hear where the fresh lady, if you hear where them do.
So as you come, now I see them.
I see bunch like I dey shock say if you human being wey born them.
Hey,
Very
what?
fresh oh.
Then as you say, like they crash on bare 20 people, right?
Oh nah, so far I'm catching like 2 or 3.
Okay. Okay, so right now, how be campus vibe for your life for you? Right, you can't stay for some time. So how are you coping with things?
So far everything is cool. Yeah, everything is cool. As time goes on, we will be adopted by it very well. So everything
Okay,
is
okay. And I sure say like you go for position. So if you are to go in for any position, what would be?
okay. I'm planning to go in for SRC secretary.
The things you talk, you have to forget it.
Okay, Charlie, guys, he's going to be your SRC secretary, social media handle, so that people go feel link you up.
On Facebook I'm Don Tom Brown, and
Okay,
on TikTok too, yeah, Don Tom Brown. So
okay, so Charlie, let's link him up. Wow, you used to see them get fresh ladies. People talk say they don't get fresh lady, but today I see one. Myself, I've seen one. Right. Okay. There's a lot of universities in Ghana. Why did you choose to come to UCC?
Okay, this school they have vision and mission, and I know my vision is almost equal to what the school wants and what the school always practice.
Okay.
Oh, sister. Ah.
Yes.
And being in this school is for my success. People go to other school for enjoyment and those stuff, although we enjoy here, but seriousness, yes. Even the lectures, they are really
Eh,
perfect.
so many so far, like lectures and everything are okay for you, right?
It's check. I
Oh,
really
okay,
love it.
okay. But then do you doubt that people say UCC them no get fresh ladies and guys?
Sure, they are lying.
And don't foresee you as the example, right? Wow, Charlie, you want to okay, so if you were to go for any position, what position will you go?
Okay, I haven't normally like go through those positions, but I know I'll go for one.
Okay, then you'll be the SRC president, the female, I think. Okay, all the best then. There's a lot of universities in Ghana and maybe outside Ghana, African and co. So why did you choose to come to UCC?
It's the best school in West Africa right now. It's number one.
Yes,
And it's
first
seventh
in
in West
Ghana.
Africa.
So that was your influence. That's why I came
And
to.
it pushes. I mean, like, in other schools, you can become. So sorry.
It's not your
Not
I
your
saw my
madam.
phone. Oh,
Oh,
okay,
you like
so,
stuff.
in other schools, I don't know, like, they are more into the fun and all. But in this school, the
I salute you. Why you are there?
pressure is there. You have to learn. You get it?
So meaning you're not going to release any stresses. It's all about learning.
Yes.
Oh, you can
sometimes.
release. I'm going for my after party. I
So
have to be
how do you
responsible.
entertain yourself in other ways?
Oh, I watch movies.
Yeah, that's your source of entertainment. Oh,
I don't
okay,
have
okay.
friends who
Okay, so if you are to be given a position, what would that position be? Looking at
president.
woo, I feel that vibe. Yeah. Okay, that's our upcoming SRC president. That's the female, of course, right? Okay, so what three things have you learned so far on campus that you think you should educate people outside?
Three things I've learned.
Yeah,
Oh, the lectures are good. They're actually very punctual.
and other thing.
They are free.
Yeah, they're actually
Yeah,
some of
they
them
are
are easygoing.
Okay,
And some of them actually also teach very well. I mean, I expected that for lectures it will be how should I say it's like
this
we are
one, they
going and
teach
we are going to
as
learn,
if
but then they have
SHS.
patience and we
as in you are
appreciate
in
that.
KG.
No, not
teach
you.
cagey,
Like
but then
that.
I mean compared to like the picture I had in my head, this is actually
Okay,
better
okay, okay, okay. So what about among your colleagues?
amongst my colleagues.
Yeah.
Well, I know some of them. So far so good. They are all very nice people.
Okay, so what about you?
Mm,
the punctuality. You learn the habit of learning because but you know be saying that they are sitting there. What is this? So you have to learn, and then I mean you get the habit of going to the library and all stuff. It's also
Charlie, she be book woman. I sure say she be book woman. That's why she will be the SRC president.
oh my
Female, of
god.
course. Okay, can I get your social media handles so that we link you up? Maybe some guys might be interested in you.
Oh,
Okay, yes, your social media handle on TikTok.
On TikTok.
Yeah.
Ah,
No.
no.
You? On
my TikTok is chop kiss.
I think we need to think our future.
Chop kiss. And you?
_Ugu.
Charlie, we go chop kiss. Still, we go chop the SRC president. Charlie, see you next time. Okay, people don't say you see them no get gentle guys. Is it true?
Nah, it's a lie. We get gentle guys for here.
What shoes?
As you can see from here,
Wow, you can see the color itself can tell you a lot. You know, everything stands out. What of the ladies?
oh, we have nice ladies in the school.
Yeah.
Very, very nice ladies.
So I sure you are crashing on people,
Oh, I don't normally crash, but
but they are crashing on you guys. Yeah, I sure.
yeah, cash for there. So if I crash, you see that thing.
So you have a lot of institutions in Ghana, especially universities, but then you chose to come to UCC. What was your influence?
Because of me coming to UCC,
Yeah.
as you know, UCC is the best university in Ghana, and that's the reason we have all the facilities, everything we need to learn to support our academic journey here. We have also, yeah.
So how was the feeling when you had Casco?
Because of the reason why I came to UCC.
Wow.
It's amazing though. It's amazing. Yeah, Casco was the dream. Yeah, so and I mean UCC.
It's just two horses in
Okay.
UCC.
Okay.
Then it's just Casford and the rest.
And
I swear to God, you will be hospitalized.
so if you are not in Casford, you are not in UCC.
You are part of the rest.
Investing in university.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, investing in university. Yes, yeah.
So guys, if you are not in Casford, you are not
You are
in
not
UCC.
in UCC.
Very good.
Simple and
Okay.
short.
That's the only hall
Yeah,
here,
the whole gentleman.
and even the university itself.
Yes.
Okay, Charlie, all the